Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Eating about 20 tart cherries a day could reduce inflammatory pain and headache pain. Lungs are the only human organ that can float on water. Lightning bolts can sometimes be hotter than the sun. The moon is very hot during the day but very cold at night. The cheetah is the only cat in the world that can't retract its claws. Scientists made a music especially for cats. Swimming pools in Phoenix, Arizona pick up 20 pounds of dust a year. A village settlement in Denmark. There are over 7 crore rats in New York, that is an average of about 9 rats per person. The Beagle Brigade, used in 21 international airports in the US, keeps a yearly average of 75,000 illegal items out of the country. The average life expectancy of a leopard in captivity is 12 years. Man falling from the World Trade Center on 9/11, the falling man. Mickey Mouse's first animation was a short called Steamboat Willie. Brain fibers lose 10% of their total length every decade. This can be increased via stress. When you put your finger inside your ear and scratch, it sounds like Pac-Man. There was a time when Coca-Cola contained cocaine. Mama dolphins sing to their babies in the womb. Stone lapses, the desire to return to a more technologically limited way of life or time period. Japan has the lowest obesity rate among developed countries in the world. Overweight individuals are required to attend dieting classes, and if they don't, their employers will be fined. In the 1980s, Nintendo employed game counselors. If you were stuck in a game, you could call them and they would coach you through it. Tulpa is a Tibetan technique where a person intentionally creates an imagined spirit or character within one's mind, resulting from an intense mental focus. Half a billion people in India may not have drinking water by 2030. Dwayne Johnson holds the record for 105 selfies in just 3 minutes. In 585 BCE, a solar eclipse helped end a 6-year war. The sky suddenly darkened during a battle between Lydians and the Medes in modern Turkey. Soldiers took it as a sign to cease fighting. May 12, 1777, the first advertisement for ice cream appeared in the New York Gazette. May 14, 1963, Kuwait became the 111th country of United Nations. Before rap battles, there were fighting, the exchange of witty, insulting verses. This was popular in England and Scotland from the 5th to the 16th centuries. On 26 July 1919, publications of New York Daily News were started. China was not aware of the color pink until they came in contact with Western culture. There is an insurance policy issued against alien abduction. Around 50,000 policies have been sold, mainly to the residents of the US and the England. Use nuts to clean cloth wash in machine. The largest stadium in the world is the Rungrado 1st of May Stadium in North Korea, which holds up to 114,000 spectators. Scissors are everyone's favorite type of kitchen tool. There are no muscles in your fingers, all the work is done by the muscles in your palms and forearms. This theater in Paris has shown the movie Life of Pi in floating boats. Mike Tyson was arrested 38 times till he reached 13. A great way to connect or have a deep conversation with someone is to take them on a scenic walk. Not being face to face takes a lot of pressure off, and the right scenery puts you in the mood to open up. Indian elections are more advanced than the world. Indian elections are one of the biggest elections in the world. India makes this happen with the advanced technology of EVM or electronic voting machines. Here is how. Before EVM machines, the ballot box and paper methods were used, but it was very unsafe, inaccurate, and wasted paper. EVM machine came in 1982 and operated on no electricity, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi to stop hacking and disturbances. The machine button can only be pressed once. The official allows it from their device and gives double protection to multiple vote scams. Before starting actual elections, 50 fake votes are added to check if the machines are working properly. India uses biometric-based voter ID cards to stop any fraud or fake votes. These machines are purely made in India and also exported to countries like Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, and Kenya. Elections this year have an estimated cost of 1.35 lakh crores to be spent. Thanks for watching.